What if I told you that three of the most popular AI coding tools in the world all fail the same basic C++ test? ChatGPT, Claude AI, and the hyped new model, DeepSeek. This isn't a complex algorithm, not system design, just a simple for loop in C++. And yet, the result reveals a much bigger truth about AI coding assistants, and why you still can't blindly trust them. Let's break it down. Why test AI with a simple C++ for loop? When people compare AI coding tools, they usually throw hard problems at them, data structures, APIs, or full projects. But here's the thing. Simple tests are often the most revealing. A C++ for loop is one of the first things programmers ever learn. It's basic. It's fundamental. And if an AI makes a mistake here, even a subtle one, it raises a red flag. So the prompt was simple. Show me an example of a for loop in C++. No tricks, no constraints, just clean professional code. ChatGPT's answer. Looks fine but isn't. At first glance, ChatGPT's code looked perfect. It compiled. It ran. Most beginners would accept it instantly, but hidden inside was a small mistake with big implications. ChatGPT used the postfix increment operator, I++. Now technically, the loop works. That's what makes this dangerous. In C++, I++ can create an unnecessary temporary copy, especially when working with iterators or complex objects. That means slightly worse performance, poor coding habits. And in interviews, a bad impression. It's not a syntax error, it's a best practice failure. Claude AI, same output, same problem. Next up, Claude AI. Many developers believe Claude is more careful and more thoughtful, so expectations were high. But when given the exact same prompt, Claude generated the same for loop. And yes, the same postfix operator mistake, different AI, different training, same flawed habit. This shows something important. AI models often optimize for what's common, not what's best. Prefix versus postfix. Why this actually matters. Let's make this simple. Postfix, I++, returns the old value, then increments can create extra copies. Prefix, ++I, increments, first returns the new value, more efficient. In beginner code, the difference seems tiny, but in real-world C++, especially with iterators, it matters. That's why experienced developers almost always prefer ++I. And yet, AI models consistently choose the weaker option. DeepSeek AI, big hype, same result. Now let's talk about DeepSeek. It's fast, it's free, and it's being hyped as a powerful, low-cost alternative to Western AI models. So surely, this one gets it right? Nope. DeepSeek produced the exact same mistake. Despite all the hype, DeepSeek versus ChatGPT versus Claude AI ends in a three-way tie for the wrong reasons. Section 6. What this means for developers and students. Here's the real takeaway. AI coding tools are amazing for generating boilerplate, explaining concepts, speeding up work, but they are not reliable for best practices, performance-critical code, interview-ready answers. If you copy-paste without understanding, you're learning bad habits. Fast. AI should assist you, not replace your fundamentals. Conclusion. Will AI replace developers? So, will AI replace software developers anytime soon? Based on this test? No. AI predicts code. Developers understand code, and that difference still matters. A lot. If this breakdown helped you see AI coding tools more clearly, hit the like button. Subscribe for more simple explanations on AI, coding, and tech reality checks. And comment below. Would you trust AI code in a real interview or production system? Moving towards the future. As technology evolves, so must our understanding and approach to using it. Today, AI tools may not be perfect, but their potential is undeniable. With time, they could become essential companions in coding. But for that future to be realized, we need better training data, reinforced best practices, and ongoing education not just on how to use these tools, but why certain code practices stand the test of time. Remember, technology is a tool, not a replacement. How we wield these tools defines our success.